Hi guys, Postman's Bin. I thought I'd share this one with you. Something I spotted on eBay and I thought I'd buy it. Right, any idea what those are? They are what I would call reed relays, or you might call them a reed switch. I didn't actually expect them to be packaged like that. I thought they'd be loose. That's a lovely little package. Looks homemade. Excellent. So yeah, reed relays. I use them for my pulse motors, not ones like this. That's the sort I normally use. Little glass tube, a couple of contacts in it, and when a magnet goes near them, it makes them make contact. They close, or you can get ones that open as well, but yeah, these close. Problem with these is they're very delicate, and if you're not careful when you're bending the wires, you actually snap the glass. These ones are supposed to be second hand, recovered from other equipment. So I'm surprised to see them packaged like that. That's excellent. Right. So I think, I'm not sure, but I think these have got a similar reed inside them. They may also have a little electric coil. I'm not sure. I shall have to try and rig something up and try them out. I think they were about 50 volt or something. They were actually fairly high current compared to these things. So I might have to rig something up and try them out. Back in my telecoms day, some of the exchanges use these, or this type of thing, reed relays. Crossbar we used to call them. So I just spotted them. I thought, well, it would be worth a try, see if we can do a pulse motor with them. So just a quick check. Got my meter on continuity, or at least that's what I'm calling it, because it beeps when we have a circuit. So if I move it near those magnets, I better hold the magnet still. Not sure if the microphone will pick up that beeping, but that's certainly working. What's on the other pair of tags? Got a resistance of some sort. About 2000 ohms. So I suspect that that's a coil I could put current through to operate the reed. There was a little diagram on the listing. I wasn't terribly interested in it. I just wanted to get hold of them. But yeah, that looks like a 2000 ohm, probably a 2000 ohm coil. If I rig something up, we could actually try them out, I suppose. He did say in the listing that they don't fit into an ordinary breadboard. They're not normal spacing. I've just checked the listing there, and yeah, it's a 24 volt coil on it. I don't happen to have a convenient 24 volt supply. I've tried my 3S LiPo, which is only 12 volts, and that doesn't operate it. But I can still demonstrate with a magnet. I think you can see that coming on. So yeah, it'll do what I want it to do. The fact it's got a coil on there that we could possibly do other things with is a bonus. And there we go. The new reed switch or reed relay running the pulse motor. I really didn't expect it to work as well as that. Do that again. Yeah, that's obviously the right position. I just thought in that package like that it will be a little bit more robust than those glass tubes, so I shouldn't break it quite so easily. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.